In today's video, I'll teach you how to get subtitles on Weverse Live. First of all, launch open Weverse application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So getting the subtitles on Weverse Live is actually very simple. This is not the live itself because nobody is live broadcasting right now for me. But I'll tell you what to do. The process is similar. Once you're on the live, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like resolution, speed, subtitles, etc. So what you have to do is tap on this option, subtitles, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to select the subtitles. You can see various languages over here. Tap on the language that you want it to display. Now once you do that, you should be able to see the subtitle, but keep in mind you need to have digital membership in order to see the subtitles. Likewise, you'll also be able to select the subtitle size. For that, tap on the three dots again. Now tap on this option, subtitle size, that you can see on the screen. Now if you want the large sizes, simply tap on the option large or extra large, or you can also tap on the option small or medium according to your choice. So like this, you'll also be able to select the subtitle size and add the subtitles. So that is how you get subtitles on Weverse Live. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.